Are you ready to become the best version of yourself? The new year isn't just a fresh start. It's a chance to rewrite your story and renew yourself into a successful, confident, and disciplined man. If you've struggled with staying consistent on your semen retention and no-fap goals, I want 2025 to be the year you finally break free, and I'm here to help you with that. Imagine reaching 180 days, or even a full year, transforming your energy, focus, and life along the way. I will take you step by step from the challenges you face to achieving the results you desire, and finally break free from the person you secretly don't want to be anymore, and become who you're truly meant to be and want to be. First, we need to confront the challenges head on. Why is it so difficult to stick to semen retention and no-fap? The root of the struggle often lies in several interconnected issues. For many, the lack of clear goals acts as a major obstacle. Without a solid reason for a true purpose in your life, it's easy to be caught in the traps of temptation. Setting real, purposeful goals and deliberately being intentional upon acting on them is the first step toward breaking free from old habits that destroy your masculinity and weaken your spirit. If you really want to start feeling as though you are worthy enough again, stay with me until the end, because together we will go over the most important and necessary tools you will need to achieve by far the greatest success in this battle. By the end, you will have a much more clear mind about how to win, and it won't be an easy path, but it will be a lot less difficult for you if you don't know these things I'm about to share with you. In today's world, as you know, triggers are everywhere. Social media, advertisements, even boredom, and moments of stress can cause urges to relapse and fall back into familiar patterns. This constant exposure is why sometimes it is so difficult to resist, especially when mental and physical dependency on instant gratification have been your moments of peace and relaxation over time. However, as you may know, frequent ejaculation and pornography create a cycle of dopamine spikes and crashes that make quitting feel almost impossible. Things become seemingly even more impossible when self-doubt starts to creep into your mind after a relapse. Guilt, shame, and the fear of failure can leave you feeling as though you're not strong enough to overcome these challenges. Many lack a strategic plan for creating a map on how they will overcome tough days. When life brings you stress, old habits start to come into play again as a coping mechanism. But the good news is that none of these challenges are permanent. Achieving success on your semen retention and no-fap journey in 2025 requires a structured approach. You have to become self-aware of your habits, identify when you are more vulnerable for relapse. The foundation of this transformation begins with setting a powerful why. Having a strong purpose of why you are doing this will motivate you more and make you more resilient to continue destroying anything that is keeping you back from achieving your goals. Ask yourself, what are you hoping to gain by committing to this? Do you want better focus, increased energy, appear more masculine and attractive to women, be more respected by other men, even intimidating, improve your relationships, or a stronger sense of self-mastery? Pause for a minute and really think of what it is you want to achieve. Define your purpose clearly and even write it down if it helps you stay more focused. If you do, keep it visible as a daily reminder of why this matters to you so much. Rather than being overwhelmed by the idea of reaching 180 or 365 days, break the journey into manageable steps. The first week is about building momentum. Reaching a single month allows you to feel the early benefits, such as improved energy and mental clarity. At 90 days, you will experience women being more attracted to you, a noticeable boost in focus, confidence, and emotional stability, which is when you start to appear more masculine. But it won't last long if you don't continue to be consistent. By the time you hit 180 days, the transformation extends even higher. You'll be a lot more productive and a sense of control over your life. A full year has the same benefits you gained in day 90 and beyond, but at a much more stronger and unbreakable essence, which is an entirely new level of self-mastery. Everyone will smell success and masculinity on you, even pets, children, your friends, and especially women. Celebrate each milestone as a victory, knowing that every step forward brings you closer to this kind of power. Understanding the benefits of long streaks can be a game changer. Retaining your semen allows your body to redirect energy toward physical and mental tasks, enhancing your overall vitality. Over time, your brain adjusts to healthier patterns, making it easier to concentrate on your goals. Emotional stability, which is one of the most masculine traits you achieve, becomes an automatic hallmark of your daily life. With a more calm and stronger sense of self-worth, you will be naturally more confident without having to fake it. You will have a lot more charisma, and you'll notice how your interactions improve with others. Perhaps most importantly, reaching these milestones proves to yourself that you can conquer challenges not just in this area, but in other aspects of your life as well. Discipline is built through consistent daily habits. Start your mornings with a positive routine, such as meditation, reading, or exercise, to set the tone for the day. Regular physical activity is especially important for channeling all that excess energy from semen retention and reducing intense feelings of temptation. Mindfulness practices, such as deep breathing, can help you stay present and avoid acting on impulses. Whenever you feel the urge to relapse, close your eyes and take 10 or more deep breaths. Reducing exposure to triggers is another key strategy. When you don't have chocolates in the house, it's easier to not eat them. But when you do have them, well, you eat the whole lot of them. It's the same with pornography. Avoid social media accounts of OnlyFans models by unfollowing them so they're not there, and only follow girls you know that are decent and behave appropriately. Avoid other dirty websites that tempt you, and consider using blockers if it feels necessary. Staying busy with meaningful activities, whether it's a new skill you've always wanted to learn, working on a passionate project, or spending time with loved ones, helps keep your focus where it belongs. Try to not be isolated all the time. Don't hang around with toxic people though either. Just hang out with the people you enjoy being around. When you are isolated, leave your phone away from you and read a book, or exercise, or work on a side project like I do by making these videos. If you want to learn how to make similar videos like these, comment 2025 is going to be my year on this video, and I'll send you a few clips on how to get started for free. Also, I see a lot of viewers don't subscribe, so if you're watching this until here and enjoy my videos, consider subscribing. It's absolutely free and I'm here to help. Anyway, moving on. Relapses are a natural part of the journey, but how you respond to them matters. Forgive yourself and recognize that a single slip doesn't erase your progress. But don't find this as an excuse, and be honest with yourself. Each time you relapse and tell yourself it's just one slip, it won't hurt, becomes an entire month, and then a year, and then relapses never stop. Again, one slip doesn't erase your progress, but when they start happening often, then they do start to withdraw all of your effort. It's not worth achieving all that progress and then relapsing over and over again. It's even quite pathetic, to be honest. If it's once in a while, then I guess it's because you're just human, but don't be a loser and do it all the time. Reflect on what triggered the relapse, whether it was boredom, stress, or fatigue, and use that knowledge to prepare for similar situations in the future. Reset your goals and refocus on your why, rebuilding momentum one step at a time. Accountability can also be a powerful motivator. Share your goals with a trusted friend, join a supportive no-fap community, or create a chain of comments on my videos to help each other and share ideas, and boost my videos too while you're at it, won't you? Use apps to track your streaks. Having a network of like-minded individuals who understand the challenges you face can provide encouragement and compassion during difficult moments. Visualize your future self being successful, masculine, decent body, or muscular, however you want. What car you'll be driving, where you'll be living, and stop wasting your time and energy on masturbation and start creating that vision. Also, vision yourself being unsuccessful and how much of a loser you'll be if you continue to masturbate to screens, even after you've acquired all the tools and have a good idea of what you have to do. You have no excuse now. You know what must be done and have more ideas now than you did before. And now you know how to take even just a few manageable steps toward winning this battle. Take a moment each day to imagine the version of yourself who has reached 180 or 365 days. Picture the confidence, energy, and self-control that come with such an achievement, and stay focused on this vision to support your commitment to your mission. Start adopting a growth mindset. Remember that this path is about progress, not perfection, yet you have to keep evolving. Each day is an opportunity to learn and improve. 2025 is the perfect year to start, and I'll tell you why. A new year represents a fresh start, making it the ideal time to commit to transformative change. Leave behind past failures and doubts, and embrace the opportunity to build a disciplined and focused life. There is a great collective energy at the start of a new year, a sense of possibility and renewal that you can harness to propel yourself forward. Use this momentum to establish new habits and let go of old patterns that no longer serve you. 2025 isn't just another year. It's a chance to redefine who you are and what you're capable of achieving. On average, if we're lucky, we get about 80 summers and winters. If we're lucky. Think of how many have gone by and don't take another year for granted. We think we have a lot of time, but we don't. So take advantage of what you learn today and become a high-value man that your friends and family, even yourself, look up to. Remember that every step counts. Whether you reach 1 week, 1 month, or 365 days, you're laying the groundwork for a better future. But avoid small streaks like 14 hours. They're nothing. If you're really struggling to go a day, then the only thing I can tell you is focus on what you can do. Gather the information I gave you and keep coming back to learn more. Talk to people and join a community. There's many people who have this problem, so don't think you're alone and feel unmotivated. Start with 3 days, and when you masturbate, do it once in those 3 days. Don't go 3 days without and then masturbate 5 times. Then after that one time, go for a week and then keep going until you can. And if you relapse again, that's okay, you did well. But don't overdo it and be a warrior. Don't give up. Imagine the men out there who succeed and could destroy you in a minute. Think about that for a while and let it motivate you. Be an absolute beast. At last, I want to thank all of you who made it until the end, and to every single one of my subscribers. Without you, I wouldn't have as much motivation. You people help me a lot, so thank you truly. I hope this helped. Stay tuned for more, and that's it for now. I wish you a happy new year, filled with success, love, and health. See you soon.